Hey y'all, hey, I'm just popping in to tell you you need to run and not walk to Beauty Master to pick up this $35 unit, okay? It did what it had to do. Now, I'm not a professional when it comes to installing wigs whatsoever, but I just needed it for a quick event, so I said, let me try my hand. Let me see what we can do. Yeah, the hair, it was a little tangled. Alright, so I started off with braiding my hair down, and then I threw sis on just to kind of check the sizing, the color, see what we were working with. The hair was getting kind of tangly, so I brushed her out, but it was way too tangly, so I ended up braiding it up. Alright, and I'm just checking where the lace is going to fall on my head. I feel like that's the biggest thing for making it look natural, is having a natural closure. Then I go in and I tint that lace with a little powder. And then I cut it in a jagged line. Get the detail, sis. Look at that focus face. And then I tried her back on to see what we were working with. Okay. Put a little mousse on to get those flyaways and kind of smooth the hair. Then I'm just doing a little gorilla knot on the edge and a little freeze spray on the edge. And that ties this down, okay? Put a little heat on her. Make it to your forehead, you know. I did try to go in and mess with them baby hairs, y'all, but the baby hairs weren't baby hairing. They weren't. Yeah, I'm not the best with that. That's not my ministry. So I tied her back up. And this is how she came out. Boom. Bam. Hello. Thank you, ma'am. Like and follow for more content.